Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. So today I'm going to work on HTML, class 8, lesson 5, working with list, images and tables in HTML. But before going to start listing and tables, we will do some basic tasks here. I will tell you how will you create notepad file, HTML file. Open notepad, click on it. Yes. Okay. Here. Now you have to save this file. Save quickly. First you have to save this file, or you have to give name sample sample dot html. Here it is very important, you have to give extension dot html. You can take any file name, you can take abc dot html, xyz, you can take any. So, and second thing, just make a folder on desktop or anywhere. Inside that folder, save your file. So my folder name is html data and I'm saving my file here. I save my file, I close it. Now close everything. So again, look, this is a folder and my file is here. This sample.html. Now open with, choose your program. If you don't get, open it notepad. Choose your program. Here, take notepad. Always. Now open. So this is a HTML file. Now what you have to do? First, you have to write HTML, and as same, just close your brackets also. HTML. I will tell you, means this is open tag, this is the close tag. When you are opening the tag, you will have to close the tag also. Now here, what you have to do? Write head, HEAD, head tag, and just come down and close head tag. Inside the head tag, you use some particular tags like title tag to give title, title, title. People who don't know, my first page slash title, title. So now just save. So press Ctrl S, or directly you can go on save. Look what will happen with this coding. I'm going minimizing it. Open this page. Open with Chrome or in Chromium or into Google Chrome, your choice. I'm opening it with Google Chrome. When I open it, look what I get. Here, this is, I'm getting this heading my first page. This is a title, but I won't get anything here because I didn't do any coding. So I'm showing that this is a title. When you write title, so bar pay, you will get the name first. Now I'm going to start coding. So now take body tag. Every coding you have to do inside body tag. Just close it. Body, and go here. body, body. Close the body. First, I want to change the page background color of the page. I will take green, BG color, BGCOLOR. Be careful spelling of color. In a double quote, just write down green, and whatever you want to write on it. I want text equal blue, yellow. Save it. Look what will happen. Sample text, sample text. I'm just writing normally. Look what will happen if I run that page again. Just go open that page and just refresh. When you refresh, you will see that your background color will change, and whatever you will write on it, you will get from yellow in color. Means this is the way through which you can change the background color and text color. Now I want to write my name in a bold letters, so I will use bold tag. Indrajit, bold tag, close. Now I want to write my name in italic font. I tag, Indrajit, Be careful. And I want to underline my name. U Andy R-A J E Indrajit. Yes. I have done 3 codings. Look what I get. Just go on that page again and refresh. Look, it's in bold letter in the Jeet and italic in the Jeet and underline in the Jeet. Now I'm going to change something. Here I will use break line VR tag. VR tag, there's no need to close VR tag. Just copy and just paste. And after that text also take VR. Where you insert VR, your text will start from the new line. Okay, so check again. I have saved. Every time you have to save. So this is the use of bold tag, italic tag, under tag, underline tag. Now I want to use इसी में बता रहा हूँ. Now I want to use heading tags. If you give space, heading tag means H1. Look, I like Batman. Just copy this tag. Okay, now press do 6 times. Change the name H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Here you will have to change also H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Just save. Look what's the change. I have saved. Every time you have to save this file. So do see like this. So here this is the heading tag. Sample tags in the Jeet. Now I show you few interesting tags. My favorite one, marquee tag. So if you want, you can everything inside this. Now suppose I want to add marquee. Marquee tag, it makes a document more interesting. I don't like Superman. I like Batman. So just write down everything now. Marquee tag. Save it. Okay, look. Whatever you are writing inside the marquee tag, it will move from left to right. See, open, restart. Look, are you watching? It is moving. It is moving. I don't like Superman. I like Batman. It will move. Let it go. Let it go. It will go right to left. You can move it from left to right, up to down to up, your choice. But I will tell you later, not now. So after going this text, it will again reappear from again other side. Go on the coding. If you write this before H1 tag, H1 tag. So look what will happen. Size will increase. I have saved the page. Look, थोड़ा बड़ा सा आएगा. Yes. One more thing. This is a sample text. What I do, I want to keep in center. CENTER. Center tag. So now my first web page, I keep it in a big heading. H1 tag. H1 is the biggest heading tag, and H6 is the smallest heading tag. So I will keep in inside the H1 tag. Okay, the tag inside tag you can use like this. Okay, look what you see. If you put it here, it doesn't affect. Now I refresh my page, my first web page. It is coming in a big letter. More interesting thing, I want to put image. What can I do? So I don't. I have an image. I have an image of Kohli. So I will take that image first. Take that image. Okay. I like this Kohli. Okay. Control C. Copy this image and paste it inside your folder. Where is your folder? Paste it. Be remember, keep your HTML file and coding together. Okay, now what you have to do, open your tags and do one thing. I'm just going to write code for the image here. IMG SRC, SRC का full form होता है source, in a double quote DOWNLOAD download .jpg, exact name देना होता है image का, and close the image tag IMG. Okay, like this. Look what will happen. Yes, my Kohli is here, but I want to put my Kohli in the center. What you will do? Keep CENTER center tag before and after. Simple. See, save your file. Every time you have to save your file. Okay, and now run your file and you will get Kohli in the middle. So if you are putting center tag anywhere, you will get this. And do one more thing. I'll show you some interesting thing. Copy those lines again, paste. height equal 20%. Width with equal 30%. You can give any 1 to 100 between, you can give anything. See what you will get. I have another image, this. You can increase or decrease the size of the image also. So I don't like, so I will change 30, I will take 10. Here I will take 15. See what you get as output. Refresh your page. Look, you can increase or decrease the size of the image. And one more thing, if you put BR tag here, you will get gap between them. If you took 2 BR tag, you will get two lines gap between them. Run.